Superintendent of Police Jangka East Khasi Hills District Uba Vivek CM IPS Kalaitrik Ulber Lapentip Bah kini kibanai meladap dan likely jingluti ATM East Khasi Hills District haka arpoi terik banai basan ahajar apusan kirunar ki bamla ban itu kilaluti ya ke ATM hamau kriya mat kilara ka bisa kumba arpralak katlai hajar sispa tingka hadin kata agak laipo terik banai bakan ahajar apusan lalu tibiang nak ke ATM hasmit bat latu ya ke bisa kumba laipusan lak san penyo hajar tingka EA bat haka pratrik banai ba aja pendria laja sakawai hamliam latu ya kapisa kumba laipusan lak tingka EA.
Can I start? Okay. Yes. So 3 cases of ATM theft were registered in East Khasi Hills district in the recent months. The first one occurred on 21st May 2025 where the ATM which was located at Mokria was robbed and cash 28 lakhs 13,100 was stolen. Then subsequently on the 30th of December another ATM at Smith was looted and cash about 35 lakhs 57,000 was stolen. Then on the 8th of February the last ATM which was looted was at Millennium and about 35 lakhs was looted from there. The people were professionals. The time which they took for actually stealing from every ATM was roughly about 7 minutes. So highly professional people. We have actually never seen such professional looting of ATMs so far, and this is the first instance where we have seen people actually professionally looting it in such a short span of time. So following the registration, we had registered 3 cases in Maungap, Mananting, and 2 cases in Maungap and 1 in Mananting. And following the investigation by the special cell, on 27th February, a 7-member team led by DSP Operations Simseng Sangma was deputed to Haryana district. And on the 9th of March, the 7-member team started to conduct operations there with the help of the Central Investigation Agency of New District, Haryana, to arrest these people. As a result of these sustained efforts, 2 accused, and these people who are wanted and also involved in many such ATM cases in the country and also in particular in the northeast, namely one Sri Salim, 26 years, of Doraki, Mewat, Haryana, and Shri Rahul, 31 years, of Bazitpur, Nuh, who were involved in the crime, and actually the main people who actually were involved in cutting down the ATMs were arrested. And following their arrest and all that, the local operations in Shillong also was conducted, where we arrested 2 people who are the local facilitators, namely John Fisher Linkhoi, 32 years, resident of Umpling, and Joyous Dora, 47 years, of Molai Nongkwar. Both arrested from Shillong after the operations in Haryana. And for John Fisher and Joyous Dora, we've got 6 days remand, and for Rahul and Salim, we've got a 5-day remand. Following this operation, yes, on the 12th, another team of the special cell headed by DSP Crime left for Assam, and one of the accused, his name is Rijal Karim, 38 years, was arrested from Chakla under Abhaipur PS in Bongao. And last night, another accused, Shri Lius Ali, 28 years, from Boragao, was arrested under Gurchuk PS. So we found incriminating evidence against these people, and of course the investigation hasn't stopped. Investigation is still on, to actually arrest some of the culprits who are absconding. So the East Khasi Hills police is endeavoring that we get all the culprits as soon as possible. Thank you.
Can you tell us in this, are they employees of the banks or what is it?
No, these 2 people are actually they are local facilitators, they actually have contacted they were contacted by the Assam counterparts, and the Assam counterparts by the people from Haryana. So they're the people who identify the ATMs out here. These two people actually have been involved in many other crimes, from drug trafficking to murder to many other forms of criminal activity and all that. So they have a history of crime, and they were the ones actually who recce'd the place and identified the ATMs to be looted.
So far, how many has been arrested, sir?
So far, we have got 6 people.
Altogether, how many potential suspects, sir?
There are still more people. As and when we interrogate and all that, we will get to know more people and all that. Of course, we have some people in our mind and all that. That special cell is yet to nab them. But as investigation, interrogation is in progress and all that, we'll get to know the exact number of people who are actually really involved.
So all of them involved in all the 3 cases?
Yes.
Can you also tell us how you tracked from the day one?
And it took a lot of hard work from the special cell, piecing all the evidence together, and a lot of people from DSP Ops, DSP City, SP City, additional SP Ops, the whole team and all that actually worked in different areas, and actually when they pieced the evidence together and all that, they could get the bigger picture, and from there zero down on the culprits.
So, is it true that one of the local is a relative of the MLA from Olai?
I'm not in the know if he's related to anything.
So, in one of the viral video which was circulated, it shows that there was an attempt to free the accused from that North Gypsy.
Yes, on the 10th, there was an attempt after one of the accused, this Rahul, was actually produced in court in Punhana, New district, and after being produced in court and all that, he was being brought back to New district, to New city, and at Sikrawa, they were accosted by about 30 people. One of them, the crowd even tried to snatch the weapon, and they had to fire blank shots and even on the ground, and a bullet ricocheted and hit one person. That person is recovering, and a case has been registered. About 12 people have been identified, so investigation is on in Haryana. Kata kam yadai ba katakan investigation de ke yang dino ni kwa pakani kadai thiki ba ni petang kata ka benta jongka ATM hi ban pet ba hiyan jonu kata kam dan kata terms of reference of investigation.
Tabasi mo pwede bukan itu hi ne kibang employee lan kata ke agency balik kata sa kidan benda na malok ni ka benta ba ni shat ni la subaya baro hi long kiba tap pisa because kani kalalong tebet hadu kata hi banong ban sei pisa tang aport nyum net badru aku cukup por badep du badan pisa entah ye ndre hadu mentah hi ngimpat lap hi kata bakin de ki long trei jong kabang bakin dan keti ndre wada kata gindang rocket syakmat ai ban pet dan keti manun dan yang menurut dan badan keti nakaliang jentik long trei jong kabang ne kiba tap pisa. Apa yang kini kecing lah, angkat dang jumpi le, jangan kisah dulu kan, naik le, nak kalau kau pilih bani baik, bagi angkat dang kiri, kan nak pilih beri bukan siapa.
Kenapa?
Tapi dia bukan kecing lah, angkat dang jumpi le, kalau kau pam, jangan lupa ka buat di penangkam bani.
Em pengalang nikong ba, kani hi kadi ka jinga tray jong baro hi ki benta jong ka special cell hi ki ba, kadi bagi lapis pada ngila bolang kini evidence ban kasami king kata ka ngis susu menu badan keti ti bun ki benta joka special cell ki belatre hak ni dan bun ki area se hadin lapis kini evidence ban salap ne kalau kumno taka crime ki commit kumno modus operandi kalau kumno pejnya ki kalau kumno
so kani interesting no bakan lagi jela perfect
kani hatat kani ru ngaklen rong phiba kani hoi ngalak sang ngalak tai phiba kani kadika ngilayo ban kem hiru taka jingerap jongka sam polis bar Haryana polis de kibla dan benta ban penyerap ni ban kem hini kibrio shektu ki jela ban kerpang ya ka Central Investigation Agency jongka New District ban USP jongka New District du bala ya yarap shibun ai ni ban identify ban kem hini kibrio kamde ka masuk ban kem Hakani ka chakahi kani ka chaka ka nu kamtam bun ki break tip pangka mewa hi kari. It's a very criminal prone district, but hakani ka chakahi kamlik ka sukhi ban kep ban athai ka special cell hi like three borba te stom but identify but yo ban kel ki.
So was the action justified? The man taking out guns, and was it a mix-up or?
See, they were planning to. What happened is the accused tried to grab the wheels and tried to overturn the car, and thereafter a crowd had come and assembled out there and tried to snatch him away. They also tried to snatch the weapon. The police out there were very restrained. They fired in the air, they fired in the ground. In fact, the bullet which hit the person also was a ricochet bullet. They did it because there was fear for their life, and I think it was very much justified. They act with restraint and responsibility.
But you could effectively manage the accused in the Sonam case when there you could bring them back. What went wrong in this case? You could not bring properly.
Like I said, in fact, I just said that place is a very crime-prone place. The mob was violent. We didn't have in those other cases, interstate cases, we didn't have a violent mob who wanted to lynch or at the most we had an instance where a person got slapped. But here it's a violent mob which wanted to snatch weapons, wanted to lynch the police. So we had to take precautionary measures.
Curious to know about the vehicle. Was it from Delhi, Meghalaya police vehicle?
Yes, it is of our Meghalaya police. It was taken from our battalion from Delhi.
How many rounds would your police have fired? How many rounds?
I think they fired about 17 rounds.
So, nakini masyarakat kiyo ban machine bagi ATM and cash.
Ya kata ngidang kita ni peri jumpa panyo ki gas cutting machines kita dan baki dia ting layo ansar ka kita.
What about cash? So,
Ka cash tu ngidang pet ka trail of cash hadian ki layo orang ni kita belalud penlut kita bela siu kiram jungki di ngidang pet ngidang ni syapat ngidang pet le si kila bu ki funds shakawai ka chakai la park those funds somewhere else. Ya kata ngidang pakai.
Two have been arrested out of two locals. Is it true that one of them is a former SOT personnel?
Yes, it is true. One is a former SOT personnel.
So his name?
Joyous Dura.
So how do we read from here? The people coming from outside, they can commit crime and go back.
Unless you see people from outside will not be able to commit the crime unless they are facilitated by local facilitators.